We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's pick up for business. Okay, guys, we are marking up GBP, USD. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We're going to head over to price. First thing you're going to identify is price actions located right here, last active candle or non-active candle. Price go up from price, how far would it go? So we look at these levels here. If price break this, we'll be headed up to the next level. If price go down, how low would it go? So we look at the low lows in this area here. Last but not least, we have a midpoint line. So also there's a pattern here. So I'll demonstrate what the pattern is. We have a first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, and we have to retest it right now. So far, we are looking at some double top or triple top in this area. Multiple retests. The market can be selling back down to the midpoint and create momentum back to the upside. If not, it'll break back down to a low, and we have to see where it goes from there. So we do know after the double bottom, the market can push up a few times. Let's see if that happened. Headed down the time frame, so we see the multiple patterns. We have a double bottom retest, market pushed up, Price actions here. We at a price action near a double top retest, so it retested twice. So it looks like it's about to drop. It can also form momentum here in this area to come back up, but for so far, we look like it's about to drop back down to that midpoint line that I created. So in that area here near price, we did get a triple top or quadruple top and retest. Market pushed down once, market pushed down twice. We still got multiple pushes that it can do. If not, it can create momentum in this area. So what you guys be looking for, the breakout in this area here. So if the market breaks out to the upside, we know that the market's going up. Also, if you see a pattern here that shows going to identify is going to go up, you take the trade to the upside. Once they get here, we're looking for a retest, the market goes up. If not, the market still consolidate back and forth sideways. So you can just wait for the breakout to the sell side or go down to a lower time frame to trade this. Let's head down the time frame. Okay, so we can see that the market is consolidating. So we see that buy and sell, buy and sell. So the market is doing some type of cluster in this area here. So we're waiting for a breakout in that area. So if you sit on this, you'll see the market break out to the upside or the downside. So if it goes up, so you see the area we're taking it to. If it goes down, we are looking for the break and retest. You can catch it here, or you can catch it after the break retest, and you look for entry, and hopefully it goes down for the sell, so you can trade that. If not, then you'll see the reverse, so the market will be coming back up. Headed down to the 4. Okay, we have patterns trying to form. So what I see here is, okay, market did reach out midpoint line on the 4-hour time frame. It looks like a pattern is in the overall trend of a down, but so far this looks like it's doing some type of W. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. The market's consolidating this area here. So when we go down the time frame, we will see consolidation in this area here. So when this market's consolidating, like I said, it's going to either break out. So if it respects our W formation and go up, then we'll see the trade. If not, we do know that we are in an overall downtrend currently for this time frame. So that means we're looking for sells. Okay. Headed down to the 3. Okay, the 3 is consolidating, so it's just multiple candles just formed. 2 is consolidating, multiple candles form. Price action candle is very small now, so it can get tinier and consolidate more. If not, we'll be looking at some type of engulfing pattern to the upside, so we know where to take it at. And if not, then the market would break through, retest, would drop down further back to our midpoint. Price action, look up to the top. Let's see what we have. We have a triple top and multiple retests, about 2 retests, triple top, 2 retests, market push down once. So it still have a chance to still push down and respect that sell market that is in, unless we see that reversal happen from that double bottom that we so-called see, but it may not happen. Let's head down the time frame. Okay, 1 hour market still extended, consolidating. So we see multiple candles still consolidating sideways. So we don't see that breakout yet. Same with the 45. Okay, now something's trying to form. So you got to remember we are in that downtrend for that sell so far until we get that reversal. So if the reversal is going to happen, we'll be looking for a W. If not, the market's going to do an M. So it'll be first leg, second leg, third leg, and that's the third leg we on. Is a retest here. So we're looking for some type of confirmation. We see a green candle going up, showing that the market's going to go up. The red one just formed just now, so it's working its way down. So we can see that M pattern of that third leg look like it's about to get respected for that double top. So market look like it's selling so far on this 30-minute. Market is working its way down to lower lows, headed down to the 15. Okay, now we can see a lot clearer. So it did come out of a double top, so now this looks a lot more clear. The price action here, highest highs, lowest lows. We do have a midpoint right in the middle. So when we read the market did come from a double top. Market did come from a double top, push down. So after the double top, what happens? Market retests, and then most of the time it drops straight down after that. But we didn't get just one retest. It came back for a second retest, and now it's dropping for that fourth leg. And now we can see that the market is headed down to our low. So that the downtrend is being respected. Go to the 5. Okay, so there's multiple patterns in the 5. Price action is consolidating. So a candle just formed. So price actions look like it's dropping down further. So we're going back to still going back down to our low point. But if you look above price action, you can see that we are at that double top. Okay. So after the double top retest, after the retest, what happened? Market sells. So that's exactly what's happening. Market is coming back to our low point, and then you can see price action highs. We got the M's, and you go back to the lows. There's a W here. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest. Market shot up once, came back down. Market shot up twice, came back down. So it went from a W to an M to a retest and is respecting the M, so that means the market's going to push down a few times. Okay, so we are in that downtrend. Market is working its way down, but be prepared for the reversal. Can't be a reversal. Okay, so we still got the W, we have the M, and the market just consolidating after the retest in this area here. So we have to wait for some confirmation that the market's going to sell. Last active candle is a bearish candle, very dominant. It dominated the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 candles. If you want to add this one here at 8, so about 6 to 7 candles it dominated. So it's showing that the market is on its way down. Okay, so you guys don't want to take this trade here. You just have to wait for the market to do what? Break. So it'll show all red coming down. Let the green come up. I don't know how far it's going to go. Sometimes it goes back up previous line of my support that I created, which is now resistance, then drop down further. If not, then we'll catch it at a midpoint in this area here. So the market will sell. Headed down to the 1. Now the market is consolidating, so we got some consolidation here. So now that means, so when you see side-by-side candles showing that the market's consolidating, this could be the reversal. It could be the drop down. So far, market look like it's having issues breaking. Not saying it won't. It's just in a consolidation. So if you wait in this area here, if you guys are trading on a 1-minute time frame, you'll be waiting here for the market to form something. If not, you'll just get a big old candle coming down. And then if you still wait around, you'll see that the market's going to sell down further. Very important information, guys. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet to understand patterns in the market. Okay, mainly W's and M's. Also come with single bottoms and single tops. And also be prepared for retest with all the markets. Breakout retest strategies, please understand this. When you look at the breakout retest, market is at a low. It's working its way to a high. Once it breaks our resistance, it'll come back and return. We'll look for entry here. So if you want to find out what type of entry goes here, trade for that upside and why that market went to the upside, you go back over to Forex pattern cheat sheet and it'll tell you what happened in that market and why the market pushed up. Okay, so that's how we stay ahead of the game. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. GBP, USD.